All right, welcome back. So far we've learned about resistors, we've learned about capacitors, we've learned about light emitting diode, and we're going to be continuing with doing some projects. And in this project, we want to use, in this project, we want to control the brightness of a light emitting diode using potentiometers. I believe you are hearing about potentiometer for the first time, so let me introduce you to what potentiometers are. So a potentiometer is an electronic component whose resistance varies when you turn or slide a knob. You must have come across it in many ways. So potentiometers serve as volume controls. So if you've seen a mixer, an audio mixer before, you see those knobs that you turn to adjust the volume up and down, the ones that you slide up and down, all those are potentiometers, and they can also be used to adjust the contrast or brightness of monitors. They can be used to set output voltage and current on power supplies, and many more like that. So potentiometers, you must have come around it in many ways. Like resistors, potentiometers are available in a wide range of resistance value, a wide range of tolerance, sizes, current, and voltage ratings. All right, so now let's proceed. I'm going to show you different kind of potentiometers that you can have, that we have. The rotary potentiometer, you have the multi-turn. Multi-turn means that you can turn it multiple times. You have the slim potentiometer, slim ports. You have the stacked potentiometer, that is, you have more than one connected together. You have the slide potentiometer, and you have potentiometer that are integrated with switch. So in this case, if you remember those old portable radio, where once you the same part that serves as the volume control is also the same part that turns on or off the radio. So that's a potentiometer with integrated switch therein. So that's a potentiometer in a brief explanation. Now let's go to our main project, that we want to control the brightness of an LED with a potentiometer. So let's go ahead to our simulation. So basically, we need our battery, the battery, then we need the light emitting diode, and we need the potentiometer. We also need a resistor. Something like this. Okay, so let's join these circuits together. Now, the center of the potentiometer is more like the output. It's where you control anything you want to. It is where you connect anything you want to control. Right? The start point, which should be zero, which it's it should be your minimum point. This point should be connected to your ground. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, let's do it like this. Sorry about that. The resistor. Where's the resistor? The resistor should go. Yeah, something like this. And this will go back to blind. Okay, so we have the circuit completed. Let me change the colors. The ground wires should be black. Positive wires should be red. Let's also make this red. And this is the output. Okay, so we have that. Now let's run this. Let's change this to 470 ohms. 470 ohms. So we have this circuit. Now let's start simulation. Now at the beginning, the light should not glow. It shouldn't turn on. So as we gradually increase, turn this potentiometer, you see the light coming up gradually, faintly, and getting brighter as you get closer to the, you see that. So that's it. Okay, if you notice all over this point from zero minimum, see around here, the brightness of the light emitting out seems the same until when we go to almost the last end of the potentiometer. Let's see what's the value, default value of that potentiometer. 250 kilo ohms is too high. It's going to be like a large resistance for the LED. Let's reduce it to 1000 ohms or 1 kilo ohms. And let's run the simulation again. Yes, it's better now. You see that? It's better now. You can see the brightness increasing gradually, decreasing gradually now, increasing gradually. So that's it. Let me see, do your own simulation. You can go ahead and do your own simulation and let me see your results. I'll be glad to see what you did. Please, if you have any question, you can drop a comment or drop a chat in our community. Thank you very much.